Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video, we will explore the process of setting up a bird strike simulation using the SALE method in Ansys Mechanical. In this part, we will focus on how to manage high velocity impacts and also to change the material and so on. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about Ansys Mechanical, then please visit our website. You will find the link in the description. So let's get started. So, like we said, what we would like to do is to do a bird strike. We have a structural surface model. So it's modeled with the shells, 2 mm thickness in this case. And then we have some part that would represent our bird. If we are dealing with a high velocity impact, then usually what we can do is that the bird, we can model it using water. And the water to the material has been taken directly from the explicit material library. And in this case, it is modeled with the Grunnersen equation of state. For the structural part, we have steel with MAT 24 S355 type of steel. But how do we get started with the SALE setup is that what we need to do is we need to model our background mesh where we have the SALE kind of background, the SALE mesh. What we do here is under the details, we can change the reference frame to SALE domain. This will now create our main SALE background mesh. The material in this case, it has been assigned with the structural steel, but we don't want the background to be steel. So instead, what we have done is that we have inserted a keyword snippet where we have changed the material to vacuum. So basically, it is just material that has very low density. And that's it. So that was it for this video. In the next part, we will continue with this simulation and so on. But now you have gotten the first introduction on how to set up a bird strike simulation. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you liked it.